Hey guys, very big news on the same day. It was broadcasted on the same day as the fifth wheel of the future, and the women's swiftman Vrenjo Vrace won the starring role of Ojiki Seri and Mura Misaki. When the CM is over, the effect sound is urgent, the warning sound is emergency, the warning sound is smeller, and the screening is stopped.